This simple yet beautifully designed piece of plastic that comes in all types of shape and color, that brings joy and tears with scream of pain to millions of kids and parents respectively around the world. Hold on a minute, did you just say tears and scream of pain? You might ask. And the answer to this is yes. Yes, I did. Let me explain to anyone who isn't a parent. As we all know, kids drop and leave their toys all over the house. And it is scientifically proven that we can't pick up all of them. Now, every now and then, us parents have to wake up in the middle of the night to answer the call of the nature. And in order to not to wake up entire house, we tend to walk in dark. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever stepped on Lego brick barefoot? If the answer is yes, then you know the pain, and trust me, I understand you as a fellow parent. But the love for our little ones is greater than the pain we go through. So we swallow the pain and scream that is fighting its way out of our mouth in order to not to wake them up and roll out tears instead. The truth is, Lego is rightfully one of the best-selling toys in the world. The way it helps develop imagination along with the sensory and motor development can play a crucial part in your child's future. And if that's not enough, the time you spend together should turn the tide. Let's talk about Duplo now. Easy to grab with little fingers and lock it with other blocks or parts of the set is a standard. Versatility and easiness to assemble them together is double so. One of the best attributes of Duplo is size of the brick itself, because you know that when you leave your little angel to play with it, he or she won't be able to swallow it and cause any harm to them. The devil is hidden in details, so they say. A swing. Yeah! What else can you build? I think the book there, with the ideas, is a good starting point for those who are new to this whole Lego building thing. So in a nutshell, as you can see, with the additional green board, okay, as I was saying, with the additional green board that wasn't included in a box, your child will have not only a lot of fun, but what is more important, the imagination and the creativity that your child will learn will be priceless, and the time you will spend with your child double so. Anyway, enough of the video, and I'm going to play with Jules. Jules, say bye-bye everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye everybody.
Bye-bye everybody.
And we will see you again soon in the next video. Take care, and remember, kids knows best how to play, how to learn, how to do everything, and it's us who should watch them and learn from them. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.